Good afternoon, this is David Sutter talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for January 2nd, 2020. Happy New Year. I hope everyone rested yesterday because the market was closed. There was no trading, so I did not post any signals yesterday. And I just want to, first of all, say Happy New Year. I hope that this year will be a prosperous year and that, we'll all make a lot of money and a lot of pips trading Forex, okay? So, anyhow, with that said, my free daily signal for today is for AUDCAD, okay, Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar, and it is a buy. Well, sort of, okay. If we look here on the 30-minute chart and 1 hour chart, we have a strong signal to buy, okay. So, yes, it's going to go up, but if we look at the 4 hour, we have a strong signal to sell still, and we look at the daily, we have an even stronger signal to sell, okay? Now the weekly shows it wants to go up. Okay, so here's my analysis. Here's what I think is going to happen. Alright, yes, it's going to go up, but it's going to drop again. And if we look here on the weekly, okay, if we draw a trend line coming up like this, okay, we have a very strong level of support right here. Okay, I can zoom in a little bit. What I think is going to happen if we come back down to the 4 hour chart and we look at this, this is our support level right here, okay? And I probably could bring this up a little bit. Anyhow, that's close enough right there, okay? This eventually is going to drop down to this support level, okay? That's what I feel is going to happen. Now, in the short time, probably the next 5 or 6 hours, you'll see the price spike back up and then drop again, because overall trend is still bearish, meaning it's going to drop. Okay, so what I recommend in this situation is do not buy. Okay, and I'm going to recommend something that I don't really recommend too often, and that's called using a limit order. Okay, and when you start using limit orders, you're more or less getting into gambling, and I don't really recommend limit orders. But in this case, when you have a trend such as this that's really bearish, okay, we know it's going to retrace and go back up, but it's only going to be short-lived. Okay, so what we can do is put a sell limit pending order at a previous level of support that was broken and is now a resistance. Okay, and what stands out to me right now is this one right here. Okay, and this may not be 100% solid, but the thing is, this right here did drop, and this was a support at one level, a resistance at one level, and became a support again, and then broke and is now a resistance. Okay, so this right here would be an ideal place to put a limit order. Even if it goes up higher, it's okay, because eventually it's going to drop. That is what I'm looking for here. So all you have to do is click on new order and change market execution to pending order, and then choose sell limit. Okay, and then we're going to put the sell limit right here on the red color, which is 0.91040. And for take profit, I'm just going to put down 0.90, and I'm going to put 900. Okay, oops, put 900, and then I can always modify this, but this is kind of get something on the screen. Okay, and then I'm going to delete that horizontal line. Okay. Okay, well, now we see here it says sell limit and TP. So if the price goes up, it's going to hit this and activate, and then eventually drop back down and hit the take profit. Okay, it could activate this and go up even higher, and you would have some drawdown, which is kind of the downside to doing this. But the thing is, I really do not feel that this is going to spike up too much, because if you look at the 4 hour chart, we hit this area here where it was riding sideways and it's shot back up. Now it came back down, it kind of broke below that, so it might come up and ride sideways in this area for a while and then shoot back down again. Okay, that's very possible. you see here the price had come down, came back up a ways, and then shot back down. Same thing here. It's probably going to come back up a ways and then shoot back down again. So hopefully this will activate and then drop down again. Now, what we can also do, check this out. If I put this on a 1 hour, we have a strong level of support marked right here, okay? I'm going to mark it with a horizontal line just so you can see. I'm going to put a sell stop pending order below that, okay? So when it finally drops, okay, if it retraces now and goes up, it's okay. But eventually, we know eventually it's going to drop. It's going to break the support and it's going to keep going. So I want to put a sell stop below that to catch that as well. Watch this. Go here to make a new pending order and choose sell stop, and then for the at price we're going to put 0.90. I'm going to choose 720 because of the tick mark right here, and I can always remodify it later if I want. For take profit, I'm going to put 0.90. 620. That's going to give me 100 pips. Watch this. Okay, so this is the sell stop pending order here on the green dash line with a TP right here, and the TP should read 100 pips. Okay, it says 100 pips. So 100 pips or points. Same thing with this broker, right? And that's going to give you some decent profit. If you're lucky, you can catch both of these. Okay, that is the plan here. This is my what I call trapping the price strategy, where we're going to trap the price. We're going to catch it either way. We know we're going with a bigger trend, okay, and we're going to catch the price at some point, either on the high side or the low side. We're going to catch this one way or another. All right. So anyhow, that's my free daily signal for today. AUDCAD buy, but not really. It's a sell, and we need to catch it at when the price retraces back up and it comes back down. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky, but I hope you can follow my instructions, and I hope I made this clear enough and simple enough for you to follow. Let me know if you have any questions about how to trade this or any of my other Telegram signals, because I post a bunch of different Telegram signals already today. So with that said, let me know any questions. I have a link to my personal Facebook account in the description of this video. Also, there's a link for my private Facebook group. You can join my Facebook group, post any questions or comments in my Facebook group, and then this way myself or other traders can assist you, and we can all kind of collaborate as a team. So with that said, let me know if there's any way at all I can help you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.